Hello students, we are going to discuss the question number 3. Here in this question number 3, you have already the existing data file, that is abc.dat, and you have to copy this information in xyz.dat, that is your new existing data file. So now we are going to start the program with CLS. You know, the work of CLS is to clear the screen, and now after that we are going to create the existing data file, that is abc.dat, with the input mode as your file number 1, abc.dat, and the second portion that we are going to create the new data file, that is xyz.dat, with the help of output mode. The file number will be your 2. ABC, again the abc.dat is your existing data file, and xyz.dat is your new file, data file, using the output mode and named as file number 2. Similarly, now we are going to start the looping with while not end of file. If you use do while not end of file, then you have to close with loop statement. Now look at here, while not end of file, we are using here UF. What is the function of UF? It will check the or test the in position of the file. So we are going to run the file number 1 because we are going to read the data, whatever the data it will contain. So we are going to read the data from the abc.dat. Here to read the data we use input hash statement from your file number 1, that is abc.dat. Similarly, it contains the informations. What are the informations? As we have already in the questions, that is name and dollar variable we are going to use. For age, A, and finally the salary, that is SA. So this one we are going to read the data from the abc.dat file. And next one is we are going to copy this one in file number 2, that is xyz.dat data file. So what are the datas here? And dollar A is there, and finally SA, that is the name, age and the salary. Now after doing this task, we have to close the while statement, that with the help of wind. So while statement is followed with the wind. If again I will repeat here, if you use do while, then you have to close with loop statement. So finally we are going to close the file number 1, that is close #1, and second one we are going to close the file number 2, that is xyz.dat file, data file, and last one closing the program with the end statement.